At Dana-Farber Cancer Institute, we know that cancer can be a challenging and demanding experience, especially now as a result of COVID-19. For many people, spiritual or religious practices may be sources of comfort and strength during this time. The Center for Spiritual Care at Dana-Farber Cancer Institute offers religious, emotional, and spiritual support to patients of all ages, their families, and Dana-Farber employees, including at many of the satellite locations. The Interfaith Chapel is open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week on the second floor of the Yaki building, right next door to the Center for Spiritual Care. People from many different traditions use this space for worship, prayer, and meditation. Chaplains receive referrals from other members of the care team and work with the Interpretive Services Department to ensure that they can communicate in any language. Patients and their loved ones can also reach out directly to chaplains. Dana-Farber's chaplains come from a variety of faith traditions and offer care via phone, email, and Zoom. They are available on-site for urgent and sacramental support and lead spirituality discussion series and workshops over Zoom. Patients and their family members provide keen insights as members of the Spiritual Care Advisory Committee.
We are here for you.
Peace and blessings.
Peace and blessings.
Peace and blessing. May тут для вас мир і благословення.
Peace and blessings. Nula po pe ag benediksyo.
Peace and blessings. नहनु इना मिन अजलक अस्सलाम वालेकुम रहमतुल्लाह. हम यहाँ आपके लिए हैं शांति और आशीर्वाद. हम यहाँ आपके लिए हैं. सलाम वालेकुम.
Peace and blessings. Àwa níbí fún ìlera yín, àlàáfíà àti ìbùkún ni fún yín.
Peace and blessings. Estamos aquí para usted. Paz y bendiciones.
Peace and blessing. Lenje kongkom sa ngazu thida nabakande chaso nyamdo molamda chunabio.
Peace and blessings. Mirva.
To speak with or request a chaplain, please call 617-632-5778, page the on-call chaplain at 617-632-3352, email dfcispiritualcare@dfci.harvard.edu, or ask your medical team for assistance. We are here for you.